Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Playcover and Xcode are installed. This ensures signing tools work. Next, load the Genshin IPA and the correct provisioning profile into a single folder so you don't hunt for files mid-process. Connect with your Apple ID in Xcode to allow signing. Once connected, enable developer mode on the Mac and make sure USB debugging is active for iOS device recognition. These initial steps remove common interruptions before you begin the actual install and update flow. You now open Playcover and select the Genshin IPA you prepared. Choose the provisioning profile you matched earlier so the app can run on your device. Then sign the app with your Apple ID certificate. Watch the output for any mismatched entitlements or bundle ID conflicts and resolve them immediately. Once signing completes, install to your device using USB or the local network option. If prompted, trust the developer certificate on the device. This step lets Genshin launch after the update. You finish by launching Genshin and allowing the in-app asset updater to download remaining files. Verify the version matches the intended update. If the game crashes or refuses to update, re-sign and reinstall immediately. Most issues stem from expired profiles or wrong entitlements. Once done, make sure the device trusts the certificate. If problems persist, switch to a different Apple ID or regenerate the provisioning profile. That single troubleshooting action resolves the majority of persistent signing and sandbox failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.